The first thing to do when making deviled eggs is boil your eggs. They are just came to a gentle boil, and I'm gonna let them go for about 10 minutes. Well, in true fashion, I went about 15 minutes overboard, but that's the hardest they have boiled, so I think it'll be just fine. There's so many of them in there that I didn't want them to crack together, hitting each other. This is for Easter. I gotta make deviled eggs for a large crowd.
One night. Why not? Come see me before you go to sleep, okay?
You got it, kid.
I usually use mayo, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of hot mustard, and I usually use sweet pickle relish, but I have no sweet pickle relish and no pickles. So this year it won't have that. In the meantime, and also this is like double what I usually make, so it's gonna be a bit of a guessing game. But I know it's gonna take all of the rest of this jar. Let me get another thing. I think I'll start with that much. Some Worcestershire. This really rounds it out. Oh, I love the addition of this. And it seems like a lot, but I'm doing a lot of eggs. This is the best mustard I've ever had. I don't particularly like spicy mustard, but this one, man, the flavors are just out of this world. That's about right. It's gotta look nasty before it looks good. Yummy. I think it could use a bit of salt. I'm gonna add soy sauce. Probably be good. And I will finish it with paprika on top, the old-fashioned way. I found the sweet relish. Since we moved, I just can't find anything anymore. I add maybe, I don't know, a pretty good sized this is a regular teaspoon. Just a little, probably 1.5 of those. It gives it the tiniest bit of sweetness. Was really dreading not having it because it's the quintessential deviled eggs, a little bit of sweet relish in it. Well, I filmed filling the eggs, filling the bag, but my camera was forward facing, so all I got is a little picture of my window. But here's how they look all filled up. I actually take a baggie, put all the mix in the middle, and squirt it in there. I flipping did it again and filmed I filmed the windowsill. Here they are with the paprika. A couple of them got a little excited about paprika and got a little lot. Son of a biscuit eater. I dropped my phone. As soon as I filmed it, I dropped my phone. I might have to just eat those because, yeah, not pretty. Leave it to me to screw it all up for Easter. I guess I'm going to have to eat them, shucks. Man, I love them. So yummy. I had to save the other one. That is so good. I'm considering dropping my phone in the whole batch of them.